Everyone knows what the internet is. With the way the world is today, you just can't live without it. The way that internet use is tied into just about every aspect of life now, it's hard to imagine what we did for all those years before it came along. The web is a great thing, but it does have its limitations. Oh, you might not think that it does when you come across something that's pretty distasteful, but believe me, there is worse that is available with the click of a mouse. Our internet is divided into three groups that are surface web, deep web and Mariana web. But in this video we will talk about surface web and deep web only. About Mariana web, we will discuss in our next video. What is surface web? The surface web is that portion of web which we see in daily life. It can be browse, surf and crawl with regular browser and regular ISP, because the links on surface web are indexed in every search engines like Google, Yahoo and Bing. According to one source, as of the 14th of June, 2015, Google's index of the surface web contains about 14.5 billion pages. How is the surface web created? Search engines construct a database of pages on the internet through the use of programs called web spiders. The spider receives a copy of each page and catalogs it, keeping the appropriate information for quick retrieval at a later date. When a new page is linked, it is eventually inspected by the spiders and added to the list of reachable pages, the surface web. What is deep web? The deep web, also referred to as the hidden web or deepnet, has plenty to offer those that are bored with the regular internet. It's an underground world that operates separate from the regular internet, and you can find just about anything you want on there. It's actually much larger than the regular internet, but there is a reason that it isn't publicized very often. Most of the deep web contains harmless information, but it can also foster serious criminal activity. The deep web is quite large, several times the size of the surface web. The phrase deep web was coined by Mike Bergman, founder of Bright Planet. The content of the deep web is hidden behind HTTP forms, and includes many very common uses such as webmail, online banking, and services that users must pay for, and which is protected by a paywall, such as video on demand, some online magazines and newspapers, and many more. Content of the deep web can be located and accessed by a direct URL or IP address, and may require password or other security access past the public website page. There is an also term which is most frequently used when we came across that deep web, that is, dark web. The dark is the part of deep web, but this is not for public and even not accessed by government itself. It is only used by criminals for their evil deeds. Each and every bad things you can imagine can be found at dark web, from online drugs to hitmen. A December 2014 study by Gareth Owen from the University of Portsmouth found that the most commonly hosted type of content on Tor was child pornography, followed by black markets, while the individual sites with the highest traffic were dedicated to botnet operations. See attached metric. Many whistleblowing sites maintain a presence as well as political discussion forums. Sites associated with Bitcoin, fraud-related services and mail-order services are some of the most prolific. To counter the trend of controversial content, the artist collective Cybertwee held a bake sale on an Onion site. Hope you guys enjoys this video and find it useful. If yes, then hit like button, and if you have any questions regarding this, write down in the comment box. Share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe the Fireup Facts.